A Business Plan Guide. Chapter 1. Business Plan Info. Business Plan 1. Writing a business plan is basically writing your plan for success down in well-defined, concise manner. Your business plan shows that you're somewhat serious about what you want to do. The basic elements of a business plan are as follows. Type of business venture. Your business experience and qualifications to operate such a business venture. Geographic location. Competition, who are they, where are they located? Marketing strategies. Planning strategies for future growth. Type of premises and why, i.e., in a mall, detached building, warehouse, commercial section, business park, etc. Initial inventory requirements. Suppliers. Office equipment. Production equipment. Employee requirements. Profit and loss statement forecast, from start-up through to third-year projections. Business Plan 2. The most important thing about a business plan is that you must have a complete, detailed explanation of costs. The goal is to set up a business that can get going on a shoestring that will be profitable. It has to look good on paper. Below is the minimum information you must make available to lenders and investors. 1. Discussion of the business. Name, address and telephone number. Type of business you are in now or want to expand or start. 2. Amount of money you need to borrow. Ask for all you will need. Don't ask for a part of the total and think you can come back for more later. This could indicate to the lender that you are a poor planner. 3. How you will use the money. List each way the borrowed money will be used. Itemize the amount of money required for each purpose. 4. Proposed terms of the loan. Include a payback schedule. Even though the lender has the final say in setting the terms of the loan, if you suggest terms, you will retain a negotiating position. 5. Financial support documents. Show where the money will come from to repay the loan through the following projected statements. Profit and loss statements, 1 year for working capital loan requests and 3 to 5 years for growth capital requests. Cash flow statements, 1 year for working capital loan requests and 3 to 5 years for growth capital requests. 6. Financial history of the business. Include the following financial statements for the last 3 years. Balance sheet. Profit and loss statement. Accounts receivable and accounts payable listings and agings. 7. Personal financial statement of the owner, s. Personal assets and liabilities. 8. Other useful information includes resume, s. Letters of intent from prospective customers. Leases or buy/sell agreements affecting your business. Reference letters. Business Plan 3. Keep it simple. There are no rules. Get help from the Small Business Administration, SBA.gov, even if just information booklets. A business plan is a written definition and an operational plan for achieving your goal. You need a complete business tool in order to define your basic product, income objectives, and specific operating procedures. You have to have a business plan to attract investors, obtain financing, and hold on to the confidence of your creditors, particularly in times of cash flow shortages, in this instance, the amount of money you have on hand compared with the expenses that must be met. There are books and software programs out that tell you how to set up a business plan, but the info here should be enough. Just be clear and thorough and make up a middle ground report which is not too long or too short. Writing and putting together a business plan is a major report that takes study, research, and time, so don't try to do it all in just 1 or 2 days. Aside from an overall directional policy for the production, sales efforts, and profit goals of your product/service, the most important purpose your business plan will serve is the basis or foundation of any financial proposals you submit to anybody. Many entrepreneurs are under the mistaken impression that a business plan is the same as a financial proposal, or that a financial proposal constitutes a business plan. This is a misunderstanding of the uses of these two separate and different business tools. The business plan is a long-range map to guide your business to the goal you've set for it. This plan details the what, why, where, how and when of your business, the success plan of your company. Your financial proposal is a request for money based upon your business plan, which defines your business history and objectives. Understand the differences. They are closely related, but they are not interchangeable. Think of a business plan as an academic report on your company, the financial plan as a dollars and cents forecast. The main reasons why you should make a business plan are: 1. Provides you with the roadmap that you need in order to run your business. It allows you to make detours, change directions and alter the pace that you set in starting or running the business. 2. To assist in financing. Whether one is starting up a small business or is an entrepreneur, banks, financial institutions, and possible investors want to see that you know where you are going and how you are going to get there. 3. The plan will tell you how much money you need, when you will need it and how you are going to get it. In other words, how you will do your financing. 4. Helps you to clearly think through what type of business you are starting and allows you to consider every aspect of that business. 5. Raises the questions that you need to have answered in order to succeed in your business. 6. Establishes a system of checks and balances for your business so that you avoid mistakes. 7. Sets up benchmarks to keep your business under control. 8. Helps you develop the competitive spirit to make you keenly prepared and ready to operate. 9. Makes you think through the entire business process so that you do not open the business blindly or lack vital information in opening and maintaining your business. 10. Forces you to analyze competition. 11. Will give you a go or no-go answer about starting the business. Take a good long look at yourself and analyze whether you're willing to work on it and if you've got what it takes to go through the thick and thin, especially the thin during the first year or so. Another big thing is that products don't sell themselves. Every business person has to be a people person and be able to get along with customers and other business people. You have to be able to seduce them with your charm. Once you begin thinking about your business plan, try to organize all your ideas into categories like sales, promotion, recruiting, distributors, and any other thoughts on how to operate and/or build your business. The best business plans for even the smallest businesses run 25 to 30 pages or more, so you will need to title each page and arrange the different aspects of your business plan into chapters. The basic elements of a business plan are: A. Business concept. A summary of basic business idea. B. Product or service you will offer. C. The market. Who will buy the product or service? D. Marketing strategy. How the product/service will be packaged and pitched at the people, timetable. E. Personnel. Employees or contractors needed, organization chart. F. Production plans. Where products/services will be made. G. Financial plans. Cash required for materials, production, balance sheet, cash flow statement. H. Insurance, legal, regulations. The format should pretty much run as follows: title page, statement of purpose, table of contents, business description, market analysis, business location, management, current financial records, explanation of plans for growth, explanation of financing for growth documentation, summary of business and outlook for the future, listing of business and personal references. This is a logical organization of the information every business plan should cover. Having a set of questions to answer about your business forces you to take an objective and critical look at your ideas. Putting it all down on paper allows you to change, erase, and refine everything to function in the manner of a smoothly oiled machine. You will be able to spot weaknesses and strengthen them before they develop into major problems. Overall, you will be developing an operating manual for your business, a valuable tool which will keep your business on track and guide you in its profitable management. Because it's your idea and your business, it's very important that you do the planning. This is your business plan, so you develop it and put it all down on paper just the way you want it to read. Seek out the advice of other people, talk with, listen to, and observe other people running similar businesses, enlist the advice of your accountant and attorney, but at the bottom line, don't ever forget that it has to be your business plan. On the very first page, which is the title page, put down the name of your business, ABC Action, with your business address underneath. Now, skip a couple of lines and write in all capital letters, Principal Owner, followed by your name if you're the principal owner. On your finished report, you would want to center this information on the page, with the words Principal Owner offset to the left about 5 spaces. Example: ABC Action, 1234 Southwest 5th Avenue, Anywhere, USA 00000. Principal Owner, your name. That's all you will have on that page, except the page number in the upper right-hand corner. Following your title page is the page for your statement of purpose. This should be a simple statement of your primary business function, such as, we are a service business engaged in the business of selling business information by mail. The title of the page should be in all capital letters across the top of the page, centered on your final draft. Skip a few lines and write the statement of purpose. This should be direct, clear, and short, never more than two sentences in length. Then you should skip a few lines and from the left-hand margin of the paper, write out a subheading in all capital letters, such as Explanation of Purpose. From and within the subheading, you can briefly explain your statement of purpose, such as, our surveys have found most entrepreneurs to be sadly lacking in basic information that will enable them to achieve success. This market is estimated at more than 100 million persons, with at least half of these people actively searching for sources that provide the kind of information they want and need. With our business, advertising, and publishing experience, it is our goal to capture at least half of this market of information seekers with our publications. Our market research indicates we can achieve this goal and realize a profit of $1 million per year within the next 5 years. The above example is generally the way you should write your explanation of purpose, and in subtle definition, why you need such an explanation. Keep it short. Very few business purpose explanations are justifiably more than a half-page long. Next comes your table of contents page. Don't really worry about this one until you've got the entire plan completed and ready for final typing. It's a good idea though, to list the subjects, chapter titles, and then check off each one as you complete that part of your plan. By having a list of the points you want to cover, you will also be able to skip around and work on each phase of your business plan as the idea or the interest in organizing that particular phase stimulates you. In describing your business, it's best to begin where your statement of purpose leaves off. Describe your product, the production process, who has responsibility for what, and most importantly, what makes your product or service unique, what gives it an edge in your market. You can briefly summarize your business beginnings, present position, and potential for future success, as well. Next, describe the buyers you're trying to reach, why they need and want or will buy your product, and the results of any tests or surveys you may have conducted. Once you've defined your market, go on to explain how you intend to reach that market, how you will alert these prospects to your product or service and induce them to buy. You might want to break this chapter down into sections such as publicity and promotions, advertising plans, direct sales force, and dealer/distributor programs. Each section would then be an outline of your plans and policies. Moving into the chapter on competition, identify who your competitors are, their weaknesses and strong points. Explain how you intend to capitalize on those weaknesses and match or better the strong points. Talk to as many of your indirect competitors as possible, those operating in different cities and states. Contact the trade associations and publications serving your proposed type of business. For information on trade associations and specific trade publications, visit your public library and look in the directory of trade associations, the Encyclopedia of Associations, or look at the websites for such organizations I list elsewhere. The chapter on management should be an elaboration on the people operating the business, those people that actually run the business, their job titles, duties, responsibilities, and resumes. It's important that you paint a strong picture of your top management people, because the people coming to work for you or investing in your business will be investing in these people as much as your product ideas. Individual tenacity, mature judgment under fire, the ability to sell, and innovative problem solving are the key attributes of good personnel. People becoming involved with any new venture want to know that the person in charge knows what he's doing, will not lose his cool when problems arise, and has what it takes to make money for all of them. After showing the muscle of this person, probably you go on to outline the other key positions within your business, who the persons are you've selected to handle those jobs, and the sources as well as availability of any other help you might need. If you've been in business on any kind of scale, the next chapter is a picture of your financial status, a review of your operating costs and income from the business to date. Generally, this is a listing of your profit and loss statements for the past 6 months, plus copies of your business income tax records for each of the previous 3 years the business has been an entity. The chapter on the explanation of your plans for the future growth of your business is an explanation of how you plan to keep your business growing, a detailed guide of what you're going to do and how you're going to increase your profits. These plans should show your goals for the coming year, 2 years, and 3 years. By breaking your objectives down into annual milestones, your plans will be accepted as more realistic and be more understandable as a part of your ultimate success. Following this explanation, you will need to itemize the projected cost and income figures of your 3-year plan. It will take a lot of research and undoubtedly a good deal of erasing, but it's very important that you list these figures based upon thorough investigation. You may have to adjust some of your plans downward, but once you've got these 2 chapters on paper, your whole business plan will fall into line and begin to make sense. You will have a precise map of where you're headed, how much it's going to cost, when you can expect to start making money, and how much. Now that you know where you're going, how much it's going to cost, and how long it's going to be before you begin to recoup your investment, you're ready to talk about how and where you're going to get the money to finance your journey. Unless you're independently wealthy, you will want to use this chapter to list the possibilities and alternatives. Make a list of friends you can approach and perhaps induce to put up some money as silent partners. Make a list of those people you might be able to sell as stockholders in your company. In some cases you can sell up to $1 million worth of stock on a private issue basis without filing papers with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Check with a corporate or tax attorney in your area for more details. Make a list of relatives and friends that might help you with an outright loan to furnish money for the development of your business. Search out and make a list of venture capital organizations. Visit the Small Business Administration office in your area, pick up the loan application papers they have, read them, study them, and even fill them out on a preliminary basis, and finally, check the costs, determine which business publications would be best to advertise in, if you were to advertise for a partner or investor, and write an ad you'd want to use if you did decide to advertise for monetary help. With a listing of all the options available to your needs, all that's left is the arranging of these options in the order you would want to use them when the time comes to ask for money. When you're researching these money sources, you will save time by noting the contact to deal with when you want money and whenever possible, by developing a working relationship with these people. In your documentation section, you should have a credit report on yourself. Use the yellow pages or check at the credit department in your bank for the nearest credit reporting office, freecreditreport.com. Refer to My Money book for extensive information about CRAs and banks. When you get your credit report, look it over and take whatever steps are necessary to eliminate any negative comments. Once these have been taken care of, ask for a revised copy of your report and include a copy of that in your business plan. If you own any patents or copyrights, include copies of these. Any licenses to use someone else's patent or copyright should also be included. If you own the distribution, wholesale or exclusive sales rights to a product, include copies of this documentation. You should also include copies of any leases, special agreements or other legal papers that might be pertinent to your business. In conclusion, write out a brief, overall summary of your business, when the business was started, the purpose of the business, what makes your business different, how you're going to gain a profitable share of the market and your expected success during the coming 5 years. The last page of your business plan is a courtesy page listing the names, addresses, and phone numbers of personal and business references, persons who have known you closely for the past 5 years or longer, and companies or firms you've had business or credit dealings with during the past 5 years. And, that's it, your complete business plan. Before you send it out for formal typing, read it over once a day for a week or 10 days. Take care of any changes or corrections and then have it reviewed by an attorney and an accountant. It would also be a good idea to have it reviewed by a business consultant serving the business community to which your business will be related. After these reviews and any last-minute changes you want to make, it will be ready for formal typing. Now you're ready to have it printed and published for whatever use you have planned for it, distribution amongst your partners or stockholders, as the business plan for putting together a winning financial proposal, or as a business operating manual. Take it to a quality printer in your area or do it yourself on your computer and have at least 5 copies printed. Next, stop by a stationery store and pick up an ordinary, theme cover for each copy of your business plan. Have the holes punched in the pages of your business report to fit these binders and then slip each copy into a binder of its own. Business Plan 4. There is no standard business plan format. Use your creativity to outline your strengths but put the weaknesses and uncertainties out there, especially the obvious ones that the prospective investor or loan grantor will see too, because it will show you're honest and thorough. Don't bullshit with fancy-ass specific sales forecasts creating a great fictional story about how you will capture X% of market share by when, then take another X% after 6 more months. This is the conventional way the brainwashed people do it, but to me, it's passé. If you got a good idea, it will stand on its own. Present the concept and don't take liberties in explaining how you're gonna dominate the field. Just present your idea objectively with just a bit of hype and let these experts who will either invest in your business or lend you money make their own decisions. They can generally see through a line of bull a mile away. It's impossible to forecast sales volume, so why try? Just present your business plan, say you believe in it and are willing to work hard. Use the following points as guidelines to analyze your business. Description of the industry. Future industry outlook. Growth potential, where is the industry going? Demographics of customers. Geographical markets. Competition, strengths and weaknesses. Economic trends, consumer trends. Description of your business product, or service. Product protection, patents, copyrights, trademarks, industrial design, franchise. Strengths of your business concept. Business location and size. Employees needed, full-time, part-time, skill level, availability, training required. Equipment needed. Your system for doing business. Your business philosophy. Emphasize teamwork. Marketing and sales plan. How will you sell? Methods of distribution, direct, wholesale, retail, internet. Pricing strategy, low price high volume sales or higher price lower volume sales. Advertising, promotion. Guarantees and service warranties. Your system of production and manufacturing. The physical building and equipment you will need to get going. Cost of facilities, equipment, and materials. Prospect for expansion. Equipment, new or used, lease or purchase. Raw materials, suppliers nearby, volume discounts, multiple sources, good supply, quick delivery, quality, cheapest prices. Inventory, what's the least amount you can keep on your shelves while satisfying all customer requests. Space requirements, floor and office space. Expansion capability. Legal form of corporate structure, proprietorship, partnership, corporation. List of principal shareholders. List of current contracts and agreements. Directors and officers, role in company. Background of key management personnel, brief. RSMTS of owners, their job descriptions. Any consultants on staff or independent contractors. Risk assessment, what is the risk? What about the competition? Lists several major areas of potential problems: hurricane, recession, new technology, consumer tastes change, etc. Contingency plans for dealing with risks. Financial statements. Previous 2 years' balance sheets and income statements if applicable. Cash flow forecast. State the money you need and why. How much have you sunk into the business so far? How much money have you borrowed for the business so far? Name references, your bank, lawyer, and accountant. When you go for meetings with potential investors/lenders, have the following documents handy just in case they want to see them. Personal net worth statement, what you own personally versus liabilities, what you owe. Letters of intent, potential orders, customer commitments, letters of support. Current assets and inventory of company. Insurance policies, amount of coverage. Bring any other paperwork you deem necessary. Get a critical review done by an educated friend who's good with the written word. You can hire professional writers/reviewers for $600 plus to edit your business plan, but why not just pay a friend $50 to do it as a favor to you? Business plan websites. Business plan books are at hashtag 658.4012, hashtag 808.066, HD 30.27 and HF 5718 at the library. Ask the librarian if they have books about business plans. I found several in the writing section along with books about business writing, hashtag 808.066 or HD 30.28 of the Library of Congress system. I found a book that's simply a compilation of a dozen or so business plans. If you want to see some good business plans, get some investment magazines like Worth or Kiplinger's, then send away for some of the free annual reports the public companies have to file with the SEC, sec.gov, that advertise in these magazines. You can use these annual reports as a guide/blueprint to putting your business plan together. By law, they all have to make them and send them out free to shareholders and interested investors. The SBA, sba.gov, 800-827-5722, sells a business plan booklet for about $3. Nalo Press, 950 Parker Street, Berkeley, California, 94710-800-992-6656, Nalo.com, publishes the book How to Write a Business Plan. AmericanExpress.com/small-business/resources/starting. asbdc.ual.edu/business-information/1004-business-plan-outline.asp, business plan outline. bizplanit.com/free. bizplanprep.com. bmo.com/business, business plan essentials. bpanalysis.com, business plan analysis services, self-employment counseling. bplan.com. bplans.com. bplans.com. brs-inc.com, business plan software. Business plan software. MIT100k.org, business plan competitions. businessplan.com. business-plan.com. business-plan-blog.com. business-plan-database.com, learn from other business plans. businessplanning.com. businessplanning.com/restaurant Business Plan. businessplanning.ws. businessplanpro.com. business-plan-pro.org. businessplans.com. businessplans.org. business-plans-4-u.com. business-plan-writer-online.com. businesstown.com/planning/creating. capitalconnection.com/bp. carnegielibrary.org/subject/business/bplansindex.html, cbsc.org/ibp, clpgh.org/subject/business/bplansindex.html, Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/business_plan, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/business_plan, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/business_plan_competition, en.wikipedia.org/wiki/business_plan_pro, entrepreneur.com, entrepreneurship.com/bulletinsplan, entrepreneurship.com/tool/businessplan workbook, expertson.com/businessplan/research.html, ey.com, freebusinessplan.biz, fundableplans.com, garage.com, growthinc.com. Growthinc.com develops business plans, offices in Los Angeles and Palo Alto, California. growthinc.com/businessplan/resources.html, hjventures.com, hjventures.com, hjventures.com/small-business-plan.html, how to bulletinildebusinessplan.com, torontobusinessplans.com, gion.com, 800-346-5426, gion.com, 800-346-5426, leads-faculty.colorado.edu/mois/bplan/html/how_to.html, business plan preparation, lordpublishing.com, 800-525-5673, low.org, miniplan.com, morebusiness.com, morebusiness.com/business-plans, morebusiness.com/templates_worksheets/bplans, mybusineskit.com, novascotiabusiness.com/publication/bulletinsplan/index, onepagbusinesplan.com, onlinebusiness.com/business_plan_index.html, onlinewbc.gov/docs/starting/basics, paloalto.com, palo-alto.com/html/sampleplans.htm, paloalto.com/ps/bp/samples.cfm, paware.com, peachtree.com, planhq.com, planium.com, planmagic.com, planmagic.com/business_plan/services/service_provider_business_plan.html, planware.org, planware.org/businessplan.htm, planware.org/bulletinsplan.htm, planware.org/excelplan, planware.org/freepeln7.zip, freeware, planwizard.com, planwrite.com, write a business plan, planyouridea.com, preanhall.com/scarbizim/html/plan.html, business plan evaluation scale, quickbooks.com, rbcroyalbank.com/sme/big idea, rentacfo.com, royalbank.com/business/big idea, sb.gov.bc.ca/small-bus/workshop/market/sample, sba.gov/shareware/starfile, sba.gov/smallbusiness-planner/plan/write-a-business-plan, sba.gov/smallbusiness-planner/plan/write-a-business-plan, business plan basics, sba.gov/starting_business/planning/basic.html, business plan outline tutorial, sba.gov/starting-business/planning/writing-plan.html, sbaonline.sba.gov/starting, score.org, score.org/template_gallery.html, scotiabank.ca, business plan writer. smallbizsearch.com/starting_out. smallbusiness.bc.ca/workshop. startupbusinessschool.com, online business plan tool. technoworthy.com/tag/businessplan. thefinanceresource.com. toolkit.cch.com. us.deloitte.com/growth/guidebook/bulletinsplan. uwwceo.org/content/businessplan.asp. zbusinessplans.com. Business Plan Software. American Institute of Small Business. 800-328-2906. Bees Plan Builder. 800-346-5426. brs-inc.com. 800-423-1228. Business Plan Pro. 800-229-7526. gion.com. 1975 El Camino Real. MTN. View California 94040. 800-346-5426. lordpublishing.com. 800-525-5673. microsoft.com. 800-426-9400. Palo Alto Software. 144 East 14th Avenue. Eugene, Oregon 97401. 800-229-7526. paloalto.com. planmaker.com. 800-955-3337. PlanRight. 800-423-1228. brs-inc.com. softkey.com. 800-227-5609. Star Software. 800-242-7827. Success. 800-543-7788. Tools for Sale. 800-442-7373. Business Contest/Business Plan Contest. You could earn money for your startup by entering business and business plan contests. smallbusinessnots.com/planning/competitions.html. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/business_plan_competition. lgreal.org, an academic competition and an opportunity for teams of students to gain experience working on real business challenges. 50k.mit.edu, MIT Entrepreneurship Competition. allbusiness.com. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/tournament_in_management_and_engineering_skills. alliance.rice.edu/rbpc. babson.edu/e-ship/outreach-events/bplancompetitions.cfm, Babson Business Plan Competitions. bdc-business-plan-competition.com, Brattleboro. bestbusinessplan.ph, Philippines Young Entrepreneurs. bigbang.gsm.ucdavis.edu, Big Bang Business Plan Competition. bigbusinesscontest.com. bizfilings.com/about/business_plan_competition.asp. bizplancontest.ca, British Columbia. bizplancontest.ca, British Columbia. bizplancontest.ca, British Columbia. blueprintcompetition.co.uk, the Northeast University's Business Planning Competition. bm.ust.hk/MBA Plan, International Business Plan Competition, Hong Kong. bm.ust.hk/MBA Plan, International Business Plan Competition, Hong Kong. boomerventuresummit.com/competition. bpc.byu.edu. bplan.berkeley.edu, UC Berkeley Business Plan Competition. bplan.rutgers.edu, Rutgers Business Plan Competition. business.umt.edu/made, Business Plan Competition. businesscompetition.co.uk, the Ogden Trust National Schools Business Competition. business-opportunities.biz/2007/11/16/urban-entrepreneur-business-plan-contest. business-opportunities.biz/2008/04/10/entrepreneur-contest-gets-started. businessplanning.ws. businessplans.org. canada1.com/business_plan_contest. cbponline.org, Community Business Partnership, Business Plan Contest. contestsinternational.eu/business contest. cudenver.edu/business_plan_competition.htm, the Bard Center Business Plan Competition. darden.edu, Business Plan Competition. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/inter-collegiate_business_competition. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/MIT_$1K_business_idea_competition. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/University_of San_Business_plan_competition, University of San Francisco International Business Plan Competition. enterprise.uq.edu.au. Forbes.com, look up Small Business Contest. gonzaga.edu/academics/undergraduate/special program/Hagen Entrepreneurial Leadership Program/Business Plan Competition/default.asp. govsbizplancontest.com, the Wisconsin Governor's Business Plan Contest. govsbizplancontest.com, Wisconsin Governor's Business Plan Contest. haussocialventure.net, Haas Social Venture Competition. haywood-nc.com/chamber program/business_startup_competition.htm, business startup competition. hbs.edu/entrepreneurship/bplan/overview.html, Harvard Business School Business Plan Contest. htr.org/bp_contest_workshops.asp, Business Plan Contest Workshops. independentmeans.com/imi/$divas/bizplan/index.php. iowabusiness-plan-competition.com. irac.com, Business Plan Competition, provides free access to rapid prototyping for qualified teams. jumpup.intuit.com/start, start a business contest. jumpup.intuit.com/start, starting a business contest. libow.drexel.edu/centers/biata/businessplan/index.php. mgt.gatek.edu/fac_research/centers_initiative/bpc, Georgia Tech. mit100k.org, MIT Entrepreneurship Competition. money.cnn.com, look up business contests. moodcorp.org/competitions.asp, School of Business, University of Western Ontario. newventures.com. newpaltz.edu/schoolofbusiness/about_businessplan.html. newpaltz.edu/schoolofbusiness/about_businessplan.html. outofthebox.ups.com, UPS Out of the Box Small Business Contest. paceber.org/moodcorp, Business Plan Competition hosted by the University of Hawaii College of Business Administration. peru.edu/professionals2d/business contests/businesscontest.htm, contest for high school students. peru.edu/professionals2d/business contests/businesscontest.htm, Peru State College's 35th Annual High School Business Contest, Nebraska. pghtech.org/events/enterprise.asp, Enterprise Business Plan Competition. responsible-business.org, HP Responsible Business Contest. responsible-business.org, HP Responsible Business Contest. ri-bizplan.com, the Rhode Island Business Plan Competition. rice.edu, Rice Business Plan Competition. sabew.org/contest/contest.htm, Society of American Business Editors and Writers, Inc. sbc.ca/contest-businessplan.php. Score.org. serverbladesummit.com/english/conference/vc_contest.html. Silicon Valley Boomer Venture Summit. smallbusinesscontest.ups.com. stern.nyu.edu/berkeley/bpc.cfm, Berkeley Center for Entrepreneurial Studies, Business Plan Competition. tcnj.edu/tilde business/tcnj-business plan competition.html. tea.tulane.edu/events, Tulane Business Plan Competition. techbizplan.mgt.unm.edu. theneunorth.com/theneunorth/new-rep/business+sign plan+sign contest/default.asp, Northeast Wisconsin. thesims2.com/contest/index.php. tmcc.edu/business/competition. usfca.edu/sobam/nvc/bpc, Business Plan Competition. venture.com.my, Malaysia's yearly business plan competition. wistechnology.com. women2.org, the Women 2.0 Business Plan Competition. womenentrepreneurs.sk.ca/youth/bp-contest.php, Women Entrepreneurs of Saskatchewan. wordpress.com/tag/business-plan-competition. wpiventureforum.org/contest.